Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add page numbers in PDFfiller. So let's get straight into it. Now first thing what you need to do is open up your PDF document, and then what we are going to do here at the top you will see this toolbar, and at the end you will see watermark. So click on it, and now here on the right side it will open up this small menu, so where you will see page numbering, and just like that, as you can see, we have 5 pages. Now we can increase the size a little bit just for fun. We can add it right here to the middle. Now we can adjust also the sizing, so let's say the smaller, just for our taste. Now what we can do here is a little bit of adjusting. So let's say we will put it like that, format 1 to third page, fourth page, just like that. So leave it like that. Or for example that we know what we are talking about, I will leave it like that. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So now we have basically numbered our pages. As you can see, page 2 of 5, page 3 of 5, and at the end, page 5 of 5. And yeah, this is pretty much how you can add page numbers in PDFfiller. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.